Greetings to all my brothers and sisters, anywhere on the day. This is Miss Pats coming to you again. This time is the wrap up on the topic on crime. So this won't be a long talk, just a little wrap up. So I hope the topic will shine some light on the problem we are facing with crime. I really hope that all of you young guys and girls tune in and listen to all the episodes and come to realize, say, there is no freedom for you once you're involved in crime. There is none. You don't have no freedom. However, you have the ability to make change to your life, to make your life better. So it don't hurt at all if you try some of my idea and solution. Just give it a try. Just give it a try. That's all I'm asking you to do. Give it a try. You have a better chance of living a long life with 100% freedom. You don't have to worry so the police, they come for you, the police, they look for you and they want to kill you. All you have to do is to tell yourself you're going to make changes. This is my contribution to everything. And as I say, I hope somehow can look into yourself and say, yeah man, me listen to this and me want to make some change. And as you say that to yourself, you tell it to your friends them, your gangster members and stuff like that. And then we listen. And everybody come on board. And everything just becomes so sweet. We're sweet, sweet Jamaica. We come back on track. So that's all we want. Just listen to the episode them. As a matter of fact, no listen to them once. Just go over and over. So you can really get something out of it. I want to know really get something out of it. Families, tell your penny them are bad if you listen to it. Once you don't listen to it, tell them to go and go listen to it. It will help. It will help. Because above all, I want to know if you have long life. Yeah man, I really want to know if you have a long life. But here is the deal. What me want and what I don't want is different. See, what me want for you is good. But me don't know if that you don't want for yourself. So it's just you and you alone can make that decision. You and you alone have to decide which lane you want to drive into. Do you want to be in the wrong lane or the right lane? You and you alone have to make that choice. Me know, and everybody else know, the right lane is where to go. But somehow you so stiff-headed and you see the big picture, you just don't want to continue in the wrong lane. But remember, the wrong lane do not give you freedom. There is no freedom in that lane because you constantly have to drive fast. You constantly have to look over your shoulder. You have to think every day could be your day or your last day on earth. And that doesn't have to happen. That does not have to happen. So remember, check on the ideas and solutions. Remember you have to call your family, your close friend, relative, the elders, the pastors, and deal with your situation. We want to know on the right track. We know they're on the wrong track for a while and notice in our work. So jump off of that bus. Done with that. I really from my heart hoping to see changes. So I'm gonna leave, and tell yourself you walk good, take care of yourself, and look out for the new topic, because that is gonna be very interesting. Walk good, take care of yourself. Miss Pat will catching up on that. Miss Pat is out.